Hey guys, my name's Jaden Peterson, and I'm on the team for CodeVisor. I'd like to explain to you today a little bit about what CodeVisor is and the value that it brings. First of all, CodeVisor is targeted with the visual programmer in mind. We feel like today's modern AI tools are leaving visual thinkers behind because they primarily provide textual explanations, and we're looking to target entry-level and experienced programmers alike so that we can show them the power of visual thinking. So CodeVisor is really simple. I'm going to show you a simple program here. It's a Java program that computes the Fibonacci numbers. And in case someone's struggling with this program, they can use CodeVisor to figure out what it's doing. So I'm going to click Generate right here, and you'll notice that CodeVisor generates a flowchart for me, and it's pretty simple to understand, and it kind of traces through the logic of this program. So it's got arrows, it's got nodes, and it goes from start to finish. Here's another program right here. This is a program that's written in C, a lower level language, and it computes the factorial numbers. So in case I'm unfamiliar with C, CodeVisor can generate an explanation for that too. CodeVisor tells me that the program accepts an integer, it performs some basic validation, and that it's recursive. And you'll notice that there's no code in here. It's purely English explanations designed to appeal to entry-level programmers especially, who might struggle with understanding something like this, and who also might be inconvenienced by a long wordy response that's typical of ChatGPT. This is a more complicated program that we're going to import, and I'm going to demonstrate one key feature of CodeVisor is that you can import files from on your file system or the clipboard. So this is a bubble sort program, but if I wanted to, I could also import it from my file system. And CodeVisor can take that file in, and I can easily generate a flowchart for it. One of the key features of CodeVisor is that it caches responses. We're using OpenAI under the hood, so it takes a little bit of a long time, but as you can see, if you give it like 5 to 10 seconds, CodeVisor is going to generate a really high quality diagram for you. So what we're doing here is we're basically asking GPT-4, OpenAI's latest model, to generate some code for a program called GraphViz, and it describes nodes and edges that combine those nodes, and we feed it into GraphViz, and it generates this diagram for us. So yeah, that's CodeVisor. It's pretty simple, but we think that it's going to provide a lot of value to experienced and novice programmers alike. So thanks for taking a look.